Hello, and welcome to the All for Ed Flash, where we are cutting through the noise to bring you the latest on education policy news. I'm Jen Ellis. Today, we delve into a significant development in education policy. The U.S. Department of Education has released its final rule under Title IX, marking a pivotal moment in advancing educational equity and opportunity. For over 50 years, Title IX has been instrumental in breaking barriers and expanding access to education for millions of students nationwide. According to the U.S. Department of Education, the final rule not only strengthens protections against sex discrimination, but also promotes accountability, fairness, and empowerment. Schools are required to take prompt and effective action to address any instances of sex discrimination, ensuring a transparent and reliable process for all parties involved that includes trained, unbiased decision-makers to evaluate all relevant and not otherwise impermissible evidence. The rule also clarifies the steps a school must take to protect students, employees, and applicants from discrimination based on pregnancy or related conditions. Additionally, the final rule safeguards against retaliation for those who exercise their Title IX rights and reinforces the rights of parents and guardians to advocate on behalf of their children. It also emphasizes the importance of student privacy, prohibiting the disclosure of personally identifiable information, except under limited circumstances. Catherine E. Lehman, Assistant Secretary for Civil Rights for the U.S. Department of Education, recently said about the new final rule, quote, "These final regulations clarify Title IX's requirement that schools promptly and effectively address all forms of sex discrimination. We look forward to working with schools, students, and families to prevent and eliminate sex discrimination." While many civil rights and LGBTQ+ advocates are hailing the new Title IX rule, conservative leaders in certain states have advised school districts to disregard it, citing concerns about potential conflicts with state laws. At least 5 states, Louisiana, Montana, Florida, Oklahoma, and South Carolina, have recommended district officials not alter their anti-sex discrimination policies. And on Monday, April 29th, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton filed suit to block the new Title IX rule, saying, quote, "This attempt to subvert federal law is plainly illegal, undemocratic, and divorced from reality." Paxton wants the court to postpone the effective date of the final rule, which is slated for August 1st, 2024. While students, parents, school administrators, and the public have been waiting for this new rule, it is likely to face more legal challenges before August. Make sure to stay tuned to the All for Ed Flash for the latest updates on the implementation of Title IX. Thank you for listening to the All for Ed Flash. Be sure to follow us on your favorite podcast service and social media. You can find us on Linktree at All for Ed.